April the 9th, 2013. A powerful 6.3 magnitude earthquake has rocked Iran, injuring 852 people and killing 32. Several countries were shaken as a result as far as Dubai. Moreover, the place where the quake struck was right alongside Iran's nuclear power plant. The quake ravaged villages, destroying some in its totality, causing mass evacuation up to 60 miles from the nuclear power plant. 2 major aftershocks have since struck Iran again.
August 10, 2012. Thus saith the Lord, my sign and wonders I show unto you. They will know that I am the Lord. I shall shake the earth. My signs and wonders. Wake up world. I shall shake the earth. Too late shall be your cry. I shall shake the earth and the things that are in it. I am arranging for my coming. I'm shaking for my coming. It's time to weep from Mount Zion. Judgment, nowhere to run, nowhere to run. There'll be a shift in the atmosphere. There'll be a turning in the galaxies. I'm sending from the north, the south, the east, the west, into the heart.
Prophecy, May 30th, 2012. A dreadful earthquake will strike the Middle East shortly. It is wise to take added precaution where possible. Matthew 24:7, for nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be famines, and pestilences, and earthquakes in divers places.